Here are some tips to help you stay motivated as you continue along your mindfulness journey. Maintaining your motivation. Some days, practice will seem hard. It may be tempting to give up, especially when you're under pressure. When this happens, see if you can remember your intention from the beginning of your course. Why did you want to start practicing mindfulness? Whatever your motivation then, see if you can hold it in your mind, and use it to remind yourself to keep going. Maybe you've even developed some new intentions since then. Planning your practice. You can use any of the practices from your course to work with from now on. If you have a strong connection with one, it's fine to use that as your main practice, or you might prefer to switch them around. Whatever you choose, see if you can incorporate them into your daily routine, maintaining at least one formal practice each day, perhaps at the same time of day, so you can get into a rhythm. Just do it, even when you face life's inevitable distractions. It's a bit like physical exercise. If you want to keep fit, you have to keep exercising. Not going it alone. It's worth saying, if you can, find like-minded others to practice with, whether that's at a local meditation center, face-to-face mindfulness course, or even starting your own group. Of course, if there are no local opportunities, you might find some online communities, CDs, or books that can offer you support. Being mindful in daily life. You don't have to be practicing formally to be mindful. Remember your daily activity you did in Module 1, perhaps you can expand that to other activities that you usually do without paying attention. Being mindful at work and at home, whatever you're doing, can help things go better in life. See if you can do one thing at a time, and really pay attention to it. And if you lose it, use the 3-step breathing space as an anchor back into mindfulness. Using life as a mindfulness cue. Sometimes it can be helpful to develop habits that remind you to be mindful. Perhaps you might bring attention to your breath for a minute or two as soon as you wake up each morning. Or, develop the habit of mindful walking if you have a regular route you use each day. Maybe mindful eating, or mindful cueing by watching your boredom and annoyance. Perhaps mindful exercising. Everything can be used as a cue for practice. Being kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up if you find you have stopped practicing for a while. Just be curious as to how that happened, and see if you can remake an intention to start again. Ups and downs are a normal part of your mindfulness journey. Being gentle to yourself is part of it. I hope you find these tips useful for your mindfulness journey. In the next session, you will be given some further mindfulness resources. Click the next video box to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box to go to the previous course video.